of allegations that we have read in the media space and what we have seen in court today against our senior officers. Like I've indicated, he has not received a factual report from ID. He is awaiting a factual report on the arrests of these senior officers. The Crime Intelligence Division is a very integral part of prevention and combating of crime. Actually, 90% of our successes in the SAPS are crime intelligence driven. So we cannot allow a situation where this particular division experiences instability, but we will allow the law to take its course. What is important is to assure South Africans that the work and mandate of the police will continue. The running of this particular division will continue. We do have the expertise and the capability to ensure that it is business as usual in the Crime Intelligence Division. We won't allow this particular case to collapse the division. So the National Commissioner has pledged that he will be appointing a senior officer in terms of our disciplinary regulations to commence with an internal investigation into the allegations made in court and the charges in court. He's also considering on who will act on the various roles occupied by the affected senior managers. We will not say much for now. Like I've indicated, we are awaiting a factual report from the ID. The National Commissioner is yet to be briefed on what has transpired here this afternoon. But safe to say is that we pledge our full support and cooperation to the ID on the investigation, and we will give full support and cooperation to the court processes that are currently underway.
The SAPS has been under the spotlight lately with a similar kind of situation about recruitment within the SAPS. What is your position when it comes to corruption in terms of recruiting and recruitment processes within the SAPS?
Look, we follow a zero tolerance towards corruption. Where corruption manifests within the organization, it is dealt decisively, and we have the figures to prove that. I think in the last 5 years, more than 2,000 members were dismissed from the organization for corrupt-related activities. But on the recruitment side, we do not doubt our recruitment and selection processes. We follow a very stringent process to ensure that we hire or employ skilled and capable members. For instance, in this particular case, the brigadier that was employed from BMW, we are aware that our HRM department, our Human Resources Management Division, did verify her qualifications with the South African Qualifications Authority. She is in possession of a national diploma in mechatronics engineering as well as a BTech degree in industrial engineering. But I will not go into the merits of this case. As I've indicated, we are yet to receive a factual report on what led to the arrest of the senior members.